Hi there! Thank you for watching this video. Welcome to my new channel dedicated only for you bloggers. Today's topic: how to optimize database, or simply how to clean up site data. You can see here the clickable links. These are the spammy links. Let me show you by clicking on this link. Now, let me show you something more. Let me go down, and here those links that should be removed. Now, these links are there because something is linked to my site, or they are there because people have commented on my site. Now, we will go and see the comments section. Here you can see how many comments are there. In fact, 4 pages. Let me show you the next page. Oops, so many of them. And, well, these are the same links that I have showed you earlier. Now, to remove them one by one is surely time consuming. Therefore, we have to install that lovely looking simple plugin called Advanced Database Cleaner. I have already installed and been using this plugin for a long time. Today, just to show you, I will install the same plugin again in a different site. Let's go to plugin and then click on add new. Click and install and then activate. Here you will find the plugin below the settings menu, WEBP Cleaner. Now, here you can see the number of unwanted kachra. Well, I will not discuss about the other menus because there is nothing more to explore in this plugin. I will go to my first site and show you what is to be done to remove the kachra. So here you can see the issue this site is having. Let's mark them one by one first. Check the option clean. But before I hit the apply button, let's go back to the site and see the spammy comments before they disappear. Now we will go back and click on apply. Now this option is safeguarding you before you take the final action. Just make sure you are deleting the right options. Click on continue. Give little time for processing. That depends also on your internet speed. Now here we go. Let's remove also the orphaned comment meta, those spammy comments which I showed you. So the same process continues, nothing to worry. Wait for the process to complete and boom! The database is clean now. Well, I will show you another demo of my second site where I have installed the plugin for the first time just to show you. So these are the errors, many of them, because I am cleaning this site for the first time since I have installed the plugin. But if you visit the site, you will not find any errors on the site. Check that. Well, I will return to the site and tick mark all those errors one by one. Then choose Clean and choose Apply. Same option, click on Continue. Wait for the process to complete. And here you have more trash, kachra, the waste to be removed. So there it is. Let's visit the site and see if there is any problem after deleting all the kachra. It's fine. The site is perfect without any damage. Well, here you see the database is clean now. And if you click on the tables, here it shows your site database is optimized. So this is a very good plugin that I have found because it does your job perfectly and beautifully. Thank you for watching this video. Do share your valuable comments and subscribe my channel for more.